Hi everyone, and welcome to Toddler Tuesday. Today we have our friend Maivy. Maivy, can you say hi?
Hi.
All right, so today we are going to paint with nature. So what I've done is I've just gone out in the yard and I've got a stick, a flower, a leaf, and a piece of shrub. So what we can do is you can take acrylic paint, you can take tempera paint, and just put it in a plate. And then I'm just using regular copy paper. And so what the child will do is take the stick, whatever you found in nature, and just dip the stick into the paint and then just apply it to the paper. So we'll let Maivy start that, okay? You ready? All right, which one do you want to use? And you're just gonna tap it on there. Keep on.
Okay,
Are you finished? Okay. All right, can we show everybody your art? Okay. All right, here is Maivy's finished product. Very good, Maivy. So we will see you guys next Tuesday on Toddler Tuesday. Maivy, can you tell them bye?
bye.
Check out the link below.